Welcome back. You're watching Money, Money, Money. This week we're discussing car insurance and what are the new features that have been added. Pankaj Mathpal of Optima Money Managers is our guide this week. So Pankaj, we've discussed a little bit about the kind of assistance that you can get on road as well as the repairs, etc. But what's so special about the new no claim bonus? I mean, we've been using it on and off for a while now. We can even transfer it from insurer to insurer. So what's new this time around?
No, there is nothing new, but there are some features which are not really known to the people. So I would like to explain those things. One thing, no claim bonus on the vehicle is like in any year, if you don't claim any loss, so in such case you get no claim bonus starting from 20% in the first year. Means in the first year if you don't claim, in the subsequent year you get 20%, and then 25%, 35%, 45%, and goes up to 50%. But in any year if you claim loss, in such case your whatever accumulated bonus you lose that. So what happens that if you change your insurer, in such case you can transfer from one insurer to another insurer. But if there is break in the insurance cover for more than 90 days, then you lose that accumulated bonus. So definitely within 90 days only you have to transfer. But apart from that, most important, what I want to explain, I said that people may not be aware that you can transfer from one car to another car. See, when you sell your existing car and you want to buy a new car, in such case if there is an accumulated bonus on the existing car, you can transfer that NCB to the new car, because this NCB is offered because of quality driving of the owner and not because of the quality of car. So that is why if you are buying a new vehicle, you can transfer it. Now what happens usually when you buy a car from a showroom, that they only offer you insurance policy along with your when you buy a car. So they may not tell you, because when the premium is less, commission is less on that. And second thing, there is a procedure for this. But because as per rule it is available, so you have to cancel your existing policy, the car which you are selling. You cancel that policy and collect a no claim bonus certificate from your existing insurance company. Now when you are buying a new car, and whether you buy insurance policy from the same insurer or another insurer, it does not matter. You just submit that proof that you have sold the vehicle and that letter which you have received from your existing insurance company. With this you will get same amount, whatever the 50%, 40%, whatever accumulated on your old car. Because if it is more than 5 years old and you did not claim in any of the years, so the whole 50% will transfer to the new car. And what happens, suppose your premium is 20,000 rupees. Though this NCB is applicable only on the OD, means on damage cover, which is around 80% of the total premium. So suppose 20,000 is the OD premium for your car and you are getting 50% discount on that, it matters. And not only in the first year. See what happens, suppose new policy you are buying now, second year will get only 20%, then 25%. But here right from the first year getting 50%. So you will get benefit in the first year as well as in the subsequent years. So one should not ignore this.
But does it transfer in absolute amount or in the percentage?
It's a percentage. It's not amount, it's a percentage. So suppose you're right now the policy premium was only 10,000 rupees, but the new car insurance premium is 20,000 rupees. So you are getting the 50% of the 20,000 rupees. So it matters a lot.
Are there any sort of charges that have to be paid for this transfer?
No, it is free of cost. Only existing policies should be cancelled. That is important, because when you sell nowadays, most of the time what we see that people exchange their car. So with a new one. So that time they give to dealer. Now when you are giving a dealer will sell it after few days or whatever it is, you are not aware of that. So new insurance company will insist for the cancellation certificate. So in that case what you can do is, easy process is this, you just keep your third party insurance active and rest you cancel. So in that case also, on the existing policy you may not get the full amount refund, but your no claim bonus will get transferred.
Okay, and for this will I need a no claim bonus, a sort of entitlement letter in case I'm changing insurers?
Yes, as I said, once you cancel the policy, so you request your insurer to give you no claim bonus certificate.
Okay.
So only a proof of cancellation of policy along with no claim bonus certificate. that is required to claim that NCB in the new policy.
Okay, and is the claim process itself any different, or is it as has been happening?
Claim process is same. Only thing is that earlier, if I talk about the few years ago when we didn't have that cashless facility, so first you had to spend money and then you had to wait for the claim. But now because we have cashless facility, it is advisable that one should go for cashless facility. So garages which are in network of that insurer, and the best idea, usually people ask that how to select the policy. Wherever your car goes for servicing, if you ask those people only that which insurance companies are there where you are in their network, so it becomes easier for you, because in usual case you will send your car to the nearest place. So if that comes in the network of the certain insurance company, it is better to buy insurance policy from that respective insurer. So that is a good choice basically. So once they say that we are in the network of so and so insurance company, so you buy policy from that insurance company.
Okay, so then finally, if someone has currently a no frills or a minimum frills policy, you recommend that they get rid of that or wrap it up and go for one of these new frill policies, right?
See, Sumaira, it depends. If you are traveling the local only and you know that your use is not so much. I have seen many times people only on weekend they use their vehicle. So in such case you may not need such services, like I said, flat tire change or breakdown services, etc. So there is no point of paying extra premium. But if your use is high, especially when you travel outstations, in such case it becomes more important.
Okay, so clearly, just to wrap it up, it sounds really good. One of the other features that really stands out for me, Pankaj, is that you can also have a message relay facility wherein you can pass on urgent messages to relatives or colleagues as and when it is needed, and if there's an emergency and so on. And there's arrangement of a spare key as well that many of these policies are now offering. Besides, of course, the very usual, that's flat tire change arrangement, battery jump start, breakdown support over phone, on-spot technician for repairs, towing of vehicle to the nearest garage, and so on and so forth. So far, at least, it's sounding very, very good. And of course, a no-claim bonus, which can be now transferred from your old car to your new vehicle, because after all, it's the driver that has taken care to earn that no-claim bonus.
One thing I want to add, suppose sometime what happens, because we were discussing about that no-claim transfer from one vehicle to another vehicle. Suppose you sell your car right now and don't want to buy a new car. So that you just collect that no claim certificate, because that is valid for 3 years. So within 3 years, if you are buying a new car, even you can avail that benefit. So not now only, means it is very, very important. Sometimes it also happens that people think that I'm not buying a new car, then why should I need this? But that is valid for 3 years, so that must be collected. That can be useful later.
Alright, so that sounds really good. The icing on the cake almost. Pankaj, thanks very much for joining in and advising our viewers on the new features. With that, it's time for us to take a very quick break. We'll come back in a bit. On the other side, it'll be time for our tip of the week.